friends, happy Thursday. So for math today, we're still doing equal groups. I'm going to do a couple of problems for you, and you can work on your worksheet. And then it's almost Friday, and then you almost have a week off. How exciting. I hope you all have super plans. I can't wait to hear about them. All right, so let's get started. All right, so we're still making equal groups to solve a division problem. All right, so again, review. Our dividend is our first number. That's the number that we need to divide into equal groups. Our second number is our divisor. That's how many equal groups we're going to need. And our quotient tells us how many in each group. Okay? So for today's problem, we're doing 30 divided by 5. Okay? So I know right away I see 30 divided by. That means that 30 needs to be divided by 5 equal groups. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is make my groups. So the 5 is my groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have my 5 groups. And now I have to divide that 30. And so in order to do that evenly or fairly, I have to put 1 in each group and keep going until I get to 30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Whew. So now I can count how many are in each group. So I ended at my last one, so they're all equal. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in each group. Now for my friends that remember their 5 times table or their 6 times table, you might have been able to figure this out. You might have seen 30 divided by 5. Well, you could have said, well, wait a minute. I know 5 times 6 equals 30, and I have the 30, I have the 5, I'm just missing the 6. Okay, so that's how multiplication can help us. If you have your multiplication facts memorized, you also then can divide. But if you don't, it's okay, because we're here, and this is why we have our equal groups, and we'll keep going with division. All right, so let's do one more. An easy one. So we have 6 divided by 2. All right, friends, so I know I have to do 6 divided into 2 equal groups. So the first thing I have to do is make those groups. Make my groups, 2 groups, and then divide that 6 equally. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many do I have in each group? Well, I just have to count now. They're equal groups. I ended in this one, so 1, 2, 3. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. And again, for my friends who have their multiplication facts, you can see 3 times 2 equals 6. It's the opposite, right? We go the other way. Or even if you could remember, you say, 6 divided by 2. 2 times what number equals 6? Oh, I remember. 2 times 3 equals 6. Okay? So, friends, you can now go work on your worksheet. All right, great job. I'm super proud of you all. You're all doing amazing. Bye.